In this video, we're looking at ice bath immersion not as a trend, but as a controlled practice used to train both the body and the mind. Across these clips, we can observe a similar pattern: the initial shock, the struggle to control breathing, and the gradual transition into calm. This sequence is not accidental. It reveals exactly why ice baths are effective. When the body first enters cold water, the nervous system reacts immediately. Breathing becomes rapid, muscles tense, and heart rate increases. This is a natural stress response. Cold exposure triggers the same survival mechanisms activated during high-pressure situations. What matters is not the reaction itself, but how the individual responds to it. As seen throughout the video, the key factor is breath control. Once breathing slows and becomes deliberate, the body begins to adapt. Blood vessels constrict, which helps reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. This is why ice baths are widely used by athletes for recovery. Short-term cold exposure signals the body to protect itself, allowing damaged tissues to rest and recover more efficiently. Beyond physical recovery, ice baths have a strong impact on the nervous system. Prolonged stress keeps the body in a constant state of alert. Cold immersion, when controlled, acts as a reset. After exiting the water, circulation increases, oxygen delivery improves, and many people experience a noticeable sense of clarity and calm. This rebound effect explains why cold exposure is often associated with improved mood and alertness. Another benefit shown indirectly in these clips is mental conditioning. Ice baths force full attention into the present moment. There is no room for distraction. The discomfort demands focus, and the only way to remain in control is through calm breathing and mental discipline. Over time, this trains the mind to stay steady under pressure, a skill that carries over into daily life. What makes ice baths especially powerful is that they do not rely on motivation. Stepping into cold water is never comfortable. The practice builds discipline rather than excitement. Each session reinforces the ability to act despite discomfort, strengthening emotional control and stress tolerance. It's important to note that ice baths should be practiced safely and gradually. The benefits come from controlled exposure, not from pushing limits recklessly. When done with intention, cold immersion becomes a simple but effective tool for physical recovery, nervous system balance, and mental resilience. These clips together show more than just cold water. They show adaptation, control, and the quiet strength that develops when discomfort is met with calm rather than resistance.